Are you needing some encouragement today? If so, stay tuned. Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. I have an exciting new hula to share with you today. We're actually going to be doing a worship hula. Now, all of us as humans go through disappointments. We carry hurts, we carry pain. Sometimes we're going through things that we just don't understand and we're confused. And we need to be able to release that and know and trust in something that is more powerful and has more strength than we do. I'm going to be introducing you to the song, You Are My Strength. In times when I have any of these feelings or emotions, I really turn to worship music to uplift my spirit and to uplift my heart and to help me to really not carry those burdens all by myself. In this hula series, we're going to be learning a couple of new hula steps, so I can't wait to show you step by step on how to do this. If you're ready, let's get started. You Are My Strength by HILLSONG Worship. Here are the lyrics to verse 1. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, reaches to me. Verse 2, you are my hope, hope like no other, hope like no other, reaches to me. Let's take a look at the footwork for verses 1 and 2, which are identical. We will have 3 sets of kaholo, right and left, followed by 4 ka'o, right, left, right, and left. Let's begin with our right foot forward and hold for 4 measures. Starting verse 1 with 3 sets of kaholo. And right, and left, set 1, right, and left, set 2, right, and left, set 3, ka'o for 4, right, left, right, and left. Repeat, kaholo, right and left, set 1, right, left, set 2, right, left, set 3, and ka'o, right, left, right, and left. Let's learn the hand motions slowly. Starting with verse 1, you are my strength, both low on the left, and raise them up high to the right. Strength like no other, cross them above with fists and bring down to chest. Strength like no other. Bring both out to sides, palms down, scoop down, cross your hands, and open up high. Reaches to me, left at your chest, right high. Bring it down to your chest, meet the left, and roll 2 times. Now verse 2. You are my hope. Bring both out to sides. Make fists and pull in to your chest. Hope like no other. Right is out, left out, scoop down as you come over to the right and up above overhead. Strength like no other. Reverse, left out, right down, scoop, and overhead. Reaches to me, same motion, left at vayu, right up, bring down to chest, and roll 2 times. Now let's try hands and feet together.
You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other. reaches to me. You are my hope, hope like no other, hope like no other, reaches to me.
Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscription button as well as the bell so that you'll get new videos every time they're released. And if you enjoyed it, I appreciate a thumbs up and sharing my channel with others. Please share it with someone that also might need some encouragement today as well. Until we see each other again, ahui ho and aloha.